my previous video, I showed you how to make a needle felted ghost pin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it into a lovely hanging decoration. This will be perfect to hang up in your home for Halloween or to give as a lovely gift. If you'd like to go back and see how I made the needle felt ghost, you can click the link on my video. To turn the ghost into a decoration, you will need a needle and some twine or thread or string, whatever you would like to hang it up with. Once I've threaded the needle, I push it through the top of the ghost's head. I then pull the twine through until I'm happy with the length that I have. I cut off any excess of my twine that I don't need. I then make a simple knot at the top of the twine. As you can see, I wrap this around my fingers and I put the end through the hole. I then tighten up the knots. You can also trim off any excess twine that you may have. And then my ghost is ready to hang up, which is perfect for your Halloween decorations or to give as a lovely little gift. You could create a whole selection of different Halloween characters, including bats and spiders as well. For more of these tutorials, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.